Hi everyone, AJ here. So Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary celebration is coming to an end. We've been lucky enough to visit Walt Disney World 3 times during its 50th celebration. And for Christmas last year, I asked my sister for a particular gift, which was this box right here of 50th anniversary Vinylmations. I kind of have a small little assortment of Vinylmations. I wouldn't really call myself a collector, but I do like them, I do enjoy them, and I like having them around. So when I saw the box, I was excited about it, and I really wanted it. So my sister did get it for me for Christmas, but as I mentioned, the 50th celebration is coming to an end. I still hadn't opened it, and I think part of it was because, you know, I was a little bit like, should I open it? Like, it could be a collector's item, it could be something that you know, could get some value later on, or you know, it also worried me, you know, the box doesn't exactly guarantee that you will get all 12 figures, including the chaser. It's kind of like random, and you know, what if I open it up and it's a disappointment? But as you can see from back here, I did get all 12, and I just thought I would make a video for it when I actually did the unopening. And I actually think it came out kind of cute and sweet. So it's not fancy or anything, just me, my camera, my hands opening up these individual boxes, but it's got some nice little comments in there and stuff. I think you'll enjoy it. So I'm gonna put it up for you guys to watch. I hope you get as excited as I did as I was opening them up, and I just hope you enjoy it. All right, so take a look. We'll see you guys soon. All right, let's see what we got here. Individual boxes. There's all the different ones we could get. Let's see. Let's try with the scissors here. This one, and then open this one right here, and let's see what we have. And it's Daisy! Yay, Daisy! Awesome, amazing! All right, and we have Daisy here. Okay. So then let's see here. Let's open the next one. And find out here what we're gonna get. And it's still! Yay! or is it Chip? Is it Chip? Who has the red nose? I think it's Chip, right? No, it's Step. Step. Yay! Okay. Next one. Let's see here. Right, so far so good. And it's Pluto! Yeah. All right, Pluto. All right, we're doing good. Let's see what we have here. And it's Mr. Toad. We got the chaser. Yay! All right, got the chaser there. Let's see over here. Get the and it's Minnie! Yay! And it's Minnie! Alright. So far so good. All the different ones here. I think we're gonna get all of them. What I think. It looks like we should have at least the first 12. And it's Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Yay! Alright. Alright, let's open this one here. How many should there be? Who's this? Oh my god. It's the skeleton master. Ooh, spooky. Alright. Another one. Oh, my first duplicate. Another Mickey. That's not good. That's not good. Still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 7 of the 12 in our first duplicate right here. Let's see what. Hopefully this is another new one. Yay! It's Donald! Look at how flashy his outfit is. Isn't that cool? Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, it even has the name there, Donald Duck. It says right there, Donald Duck. Oh, so let's see. And we can see what name this one has. This is Skeleton Helmsman from Pirates of the Caribbean. And then this is Mr. Toad. Yeah, Mr. Toad. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see if we can get another unique one. Got quite the mess going on over here on the side. You guys aren't seeing. And now it's, I'm gonna tell you for sure, Chip. I knew it. I knew the other one was Dale. This is Chip. Look at, isn't he adorable with his little sparkly ears? Oh, and his little tail. Oh, very, very cute. All right. So we're doing good so far. doing good. Okay, so next one here. Let's see. Open this. Oh my god, you guys, this one's so cool! And it's Dumbo! Oh, look at this little hat! And he's holding a little feather. Oh my god, he got his little tail there. Oh, this is so cute! Very cool, very, very cool. So now we're at 10. Just need 2 more. I think from here I can tell we still need Goofy. Goofy is missing, and the country time bear. Country time bear. So let's see. Let's keep going. See what we end up with. Here, let's hope it's a Goofy. Let's hope it's a country time bear. I don't know. Has to be one of those. Let's see here. It's another chip. Another chip. I don't know why I keep getting confused with them. Alright, so another duplicate. What sucks is now we have the full box here. And now it's just kind of random, right? I mean, we need 2 more. We might end up opening all of them, and we might end up with not the 2 that we're missing. And that would not be good, right? So let's see. Let's keep going here. All right, we got this one here, and let's see. Oh, it does feel. I think this is one of them. I think this is the bear, the country time bear. I can feel it. I can feel it. Ta-da! Look! What's his name? His name is Big L from the Country Time Jamboree. Look at that, and look at what else it comes with. It comes with a little guitar so that he can play the little guitar. Oh, right. Hi, everyone. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. So in this little sombrero. Very nice. Very nice. So one more, you guys. All we need is Goofy. Let's see what we find with our next one here. Come on. Let's hope this is it. Be really cool so that then I could maybe give these away as little stocking stuffers or something, you know, so I don't have to open all of them, right? That would be really cool. So let's see here. Crossing my fingers. I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Oh my god, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. It's Goofy, you guys. Oh my god. Who would have thought? Look, I went straight down the middle right here, hoping that I would get the right one, and I did. It's Goofy! Yay! So that's it, you guys. We got all of them. We have all of them here. All right, look at this mess. Look at this mess that's over here. Look at that. All these boxes. But then, let's take a look at this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's Mickey and Minnie, the skeleton. There's Donald right there, and Dumbo, and Big Al, and Dale, and Pluto, and Daisy, and then Chip, and then Mr. Toad, and then of course we can't forget Goofy right here, Oh my god, I can't believe I already got all of them. That is so cool. We have here our Mickey and Minnie, and then we have our Donald and our Daisy right here. And then of course we have to have Pluto and Goofy, and then have Miss Chip and Dale together right here. And then of course Mr. Toad, and then Dumbo, and then what is his name again? Skeleton Helmsman, the Skeleton Helmsman, perfect for Halloween. Woo, woo, woo. All right, and then Big L. Look at that, you guys. We got all of them. 2 duplicates to the back, but look at that. We got all of them right here. How cool is that? Very, very cool. Didn't do too bad. And we still have 10 boxes left to open. Not sure what we're gonna be doing with those, but maybe make some little gifts, maybe give others the opportunity to own their own collection. But finally did it. It's been over a year, and I finally opened these bad boys up, and they all look amazing. Very, very happy. All right, you guys, hope you enjoyed that. We'll talk soon.